Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to use Visa gift card on AliExpress. Open AliExpress application on your phone and go to your account at the bottom right. Now find section payment that basically looks like wallet icon. Now you see that we have here section cards and press add new card. Now you have to fill in information about your gift card, so this is card number, name on card, expiration date, and of course CVV code. Once filled in, you have to submit it by pressing save button. And now let's go to some item and proceed to checkout page. Now we want to scroll down to section payment method and basically select your Visa gift card that you have entered information about. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.